What did you see a sign with?
With, yeah, Buzz Lightyear
Buzz Lightyear?
and Mater.
And Mater? Did you see all those billboards and stuff with Lightning McQueen and Mater on it?
Yeah.
What if I told you that we were going to go to Radiator Springs today? Would you believe me? There's a place called Cars Land, and it's in it's Radiator Springs. Can you guess where Cars Land is? Have you ever heard of Disneyland? Do you want to go to Disneyland today? Do you want to go to Radiator Springs and see all your Cars friends? Are you excited? That's where we're going. That's our big surprise. What do you have to say about that? What are you saying? Huh?
Why?
Yippee? Should be fun, huh, buddy?